Hello, and welcome to tutorial number 10. This tutorial will talk about alarms of the spatial model. After viewing this tutorial, you will be familiar with alarms generated by the spatial model, their properties, and how they are managed. The management of alarms in the spatial model is located in the Alarms and Reports tab. The tab contains three different options: current alarms, historical alarms, and aggregate alarms reports. The reports section is introduced in another tutorial and will not be referred to in this tutorial. Current alarms are the currently active alarms. Each alarm in the table has an object number representing its related pair. If you go to the Pairs tab on this window and look at the object with the same number, you will see the alarm column's value displays the word "on". This indicates that the alarm of this object is currently active. Alarm active means that the actual value of the target station at the pair violates the spatial limits, either minimum or maximum. If you go to the Charts panel while this object is marked and press refresh, you can see that the actual value of this measurement is out of the spatial limits, and this is why the alarm was declared. The current alarm table has several columns. For each alarm in the table, we have the cluster to which it belongs, the station, measurement, object description, alarm description, which corresponds to the 5 alarm types described above. Also, we have a start time, trigger time, alarm age, and the last update timestamp. Please note that when objects go into an alarm state, the system moves it from the normal scanning speed to high scanning speed, and they get attention from the system much more frequently. The second option is the historical alarms. Selecting it requires selecting the start and end date to determine the period of alarms to observe. After that, click the refresh button. You will see a list of alarms from the period you selected. Try picking an alarm from the historical list of events. Go to the pairs list and click the object ID of the alarm you selected. If you click the Charts button while this object is selected, and pick the relevant start and end time for the alarm, you will see the data chart when it occurred. Thank you. We hope this tutorial was helpful and clear. For more details, please go to our website.